Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you enjoy tutorials that actually help you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on Windows 10 in 2025, and by the end of this video, you'll know 3 easy ways to do it. Let's jump straight in. The first method is using the Xbox Game Bar. You might not know, but Windows 10 comes with this built-in tool that can record your screen effortlessly. Just press Windows plus G to open the game bar and click "Yes, this is a game" if prompted. To start recording, click the record button or press Windows plus Alt plus R. When you're done, click the red recording bar at the top right or press the same shortcut. Your video will be saved as an MP4 in the Videos, Captures folder, and you can also access it via the Xbox app under Game DVR. The second method is a neat trick using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have PowerPoint 2013 or later, you can record your screen directly from a presentation. Open a presentation, go to the Record tab, and click Screen Recording. Drag to select the area you want to capture. Both audio and your mouse pointer are recorded by default. Hit record or press Windows plus Shift plus R. You can pause and resume anytime. When finished, hit stop or press Windows plus Shift plus Q, then right-click the still frame and select Save Media as to save your video. Finally, for the most powerful option, you can use OBS Studio. OBS lets you record or stream your screen, webcam, and even games. Install OBS, run the auto configuration wizard, create a scene, and add sources like game capture, webcam, or audio inputs. You can adjust your recording settings under Settings arrow output, choose a save location, and start recording with the controls panel. OBS is perfect if you want more control and professional results. And that's it. 3 simple ways to record your screen on Windows 10 in 2025, from the built-in game bar to PowerPoint, all the way to OBS for more advanced setups. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.